How to import ICS file to iPhone calendar. Now these simple steps is very easy and very straightforward. Now all you have to do at first is to make sure that you have your ICS file ready for us to be able to just simply import it. But if you're looking for creating an ICS file or any events that you would like to be posted on your iPhone calendar, that's going to be on a separated video. So once you've downloaded your ICS file, you can go ahead and access it via your files or file manager from your iPhone. So for example, right here. So below that, you should see the share button or open in Let's View, which is the one that I'm currently using right now to cast my phone on my screen. But what you need to do is to pull up this share button at the left. Basically, all these applications available right here are all your connections where you can forward or send over your any files available on your end. For you to be able to import this to your iPhone calendars, just simply mail it to the same account that you have from your phone. And then once you access it, you should be able to see Add Calendar option. And that's it. That's how you import ICS file to iPhone calendar.